Alright, ready na si Manang. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ayan, hello mga friends. Habang nag-roll ako ng mga egg rolls, may gusto na akong i-share sa inyo. Sa mga post ko today, I've been talking about faceless marketing kasi madami sa atin gustong mag-start ng online business pero hindi komportable na magpakita ng face sa social media. And you know what? Okay lang yun. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging komportable agad na mag-video ng sarili mo or magpakita ng face mo para makapag-start. Actually, last week sa Millionaires Mastermind namin, may nag-share ng story niya. Her name is Elena. She's only 19-year-old, originally from Afghanistan and currently living in the UAE. She's been building her online business for almost a year now, and she decided to use TikTok as her main platform. What's amazing is that she shared the milestones she reached using faceless content without showing her face and without relying on paid ads. She shared her experience kasi gusto niyang ipakita sa ibang tao na yes, posible pala. And the good thing is, this training is already available inside our training platform. Hindi mo na kailangan magbayad pa ng platform ng iba to learn the faceless marketing. So kung gusto mo mag-build ng online business pero ayaw mo muna magpakita ng face mo, you can learn how to do it too. And yes, even without showing your face or using your voice, there are different ways to create content today. Pero of course, if you're comfortable showing your real you, that can also be powerful. Kasi when people get to know you, your story, while you're doing what you're doing, that's where trust starts. So whether you choose faceless marketing or personal branding, ang importante is you find a way that feels right for you. So if you're curious at gusto mong malaman kung paano itong ginagawa namin, comment mo lang training below or send me a message. Balik na ako sa aking paglulumpia at ako'y ginagabi na. Maraming salamat!